Hello guys, welcome to One to Tutor Me. Are you ready to learn with me today?
Today we're learning about contractions. Here's an example of one. You will, you'll. What is a contraction? A contraction is a shorter way to say two words. A contraction is formed by combining two words. They are. How do we combine they are? There. An apostrophe takes the place of the missing letters. The A is missing. The first word stays the same while the second word loses some letters. So we lost the A in they are. And now we have there. Let's look at some examples. He will, he'll. They will, they'll. She will, she'll. I will, I'll. It will, it'll. Are not, aren't. Will not, won't. Is not, isn't. Cannot, can't. Should not, shouldn't. Were not, weren't. Did not, didn't. Do not, don't. I am, I'm. I have, I've. I would, I'd. She had, she'd. That is, that's. They had, they'd. Who is, whose. We have, we've. What is, what's. Who will, who. You have, you've. We will, will. You will, you'll. You have, you've. Thank you for watching. Like, share, follow.